I thought it said 8, but let me look.
No, it says it's going to start in 43 minutes.
Oh, that was from the before time when it was that was pre Twitch. I thought I tweaked
Let
the
me see.
time. Oh, it just say 9 p.m. It's so late. Edit all events.
You're welcome. No big deal.
No big deal.
No big deal. I mean, I'm technically 42 minutes early according to your schedule.
You better put that in your PGP.
you know, no wonder we have no one here. I mean, I'm watching, but outside myself. So did you do the play date or you just waited?
I have the SDK downloaded. Is that what you mean?
I don't know. It looked like you're doing a what was it on your page? It said you're doing a. Well, I guess because you started the stream is not showing. That you're doing a play date something.
Yeah, exploration.
Yes.
Yeah. If you're still down, I thought we could poke around the SDK. See what we can figure out here live.
That's it's up to you. Either that or the levels for the thing.
It's been really stubborn about updating the time in that event. Well, I'll worry about that later. So let me get you a link here. Oh, we got 3 viewers, probably me, you, and a bot. There you go. We should be
Oh,
tagged under
you switch
playdates.
channels.
What's that?
You switch channels
Oh, yeah, I moved us to Twitch.
again. No biggie.
I'm over down here. Hold on. There we
Mm,
go. I think I hit start event and it moved us over.
it automatically goes to game jam.
I guess. Okay, we're gonna share screen.
Mm,
So I downloaded the SDK for Playdate, and it wasn't as fast at figuring it out as I was hoping I would be. Have you had a chance to look at it at all?
yeah, I mean, when it first launched, I was all over it.
Oh, so 600 years ago you looked at it.
So back in the pandemic days, I was all over.
Yeah.
Really early versions of it. There you go.
Okay, so let me know if I'm wrong from the vibes I was getting here. So I looked at it. This was, I'll pull up here. Okay, we're good. I saw Minecraft in the Twitch thing. I was like, we're not playing Minecraft. Okay. So from what I was getting, the vibe is there's no engine. It's just a simulator and code. Does that seem about right?
Simulator and code.
No fancy engine to play with.
I mean, what do you mean by engine?
Like good to know we have like a whole UI, right? There's like tabs and
Oh yeah. I mean, this is for real developers, so you can use VS Code for it.
oh, okay, sure. Shots fired, huh?
They actually have a plugin or extension or plugin. I forget what they call it.
Nice. Well, let's grab that here. Play date. This it?
Well, not so much Playdate as the language the Playdate is using.
Lua.
I mean, I guess you could use some of these in Fish Playdate. No, I haven't tried those, but you can use Uh, what is the language that they're using? It's wait a minute, I might be getting confused. It has been a while. Yeah, there is a VS Code extension. Lua is the language that they're using. So you can definitely yeah.
We lost half our viewers already.
Wait a minute. I was 100% of the viewer just a second ago.
Yeah, right.
Man, audiences are. No, we still have two, right?
Yeah, it's you and I.
Yeah. Oh, damn it. Okay. I mean, all
Probably.
right. That's. I mean, I'm definitely one. I'm a fan.
Yeah, there you go. That's fair. We got full support here.
All right. Then yeah, I don't know. Try the plugin. I don't know if there. It's been a really long time. Maybe there is something better. Let me search on the side here.
There was a Playdate debug,
Plugin.
which looks official.
I mean,
Unofficial. Okay. And syntax support for
gotta
pulp
gotta let
script.
her. Oh yeah, I remember. I was gonna be a C. I was gonna do it in C because I was feeling really. Oh, okay. Yeah, they have the Nova plugin, uh, which costs money. That's what they want you to do. Or you can keep it real simple and dumb and just create a using their web-based game editor.
Oh, for pulp.
Yeah.
I saw it came with some examples here. Wonder how I.
Oh yeah. You can load those. It's pretty straightforward to load them.
You remember offhand?
Um, let's see. No. Site
Me neither.
design. What is a Playdate using running your game? Here we go. Launch the Playdate simulator. Double click on the PDX folder if you're using. Uh, yeah, you just gotta open the PDX file. You might ask, "Whoa, what if I'm missing a PDX file?" Then just build it, and you should be good to go. So go to examples.
Yeah, examples. There's one in here somewhere.
Yeah. Then right click on it and say open terminal. And then did you add the PDC to your command to your path?
I doubt it. I just installed it, so if it was automatic, then it's there.
So the PDC. Uh, yeah, let's see your path. Like you have to add it to where is your PDC should be. How did you install this?
I just ran the SDK installer.
Bin. Look at the bin directory.
It's here.
Cool.
Bin.
And there you go. You got to add that to your path to make your life like usable.
Sure.
Oh, Windows.
Yes.
I miss you not.
I do not remember how to do that. Let's Google
You
this.
gotta edit to your auto exec bat file. Yes, and your home directory should be there. Or wait a minute, am I really dating myself?
Yeah, that should be
Or
the other
maybe there
way.
is a
Windows S, it said.
system property. Sorry, good lord, I can't believe I say auto exec. That's been a really long.
It's here. Environment
Items.
variables. Here's our path. And then add. We can paste.
Well, you copy relative. You want the full. Oh, and yeah, just and make sure you remove the PDC exe and
Man,
the well, it shouldn't matter, but it well doesn't look like anything else has a slash, so I would remove the slash again.
I suppose. All right. Now PDC.
Open a new terminal here.
Yeah, it's fair.
Control Shift single quote on the left. Um, I don't know. You might need to close VS Code.
Command prompt. Aha. Thought we had that. Oh, what the heck? I'm just gonna triple check this. This should be good. I was feeling pretty good about that.
Feels good. I mean, I don't feel good about OneDrive, but
It's actually uninstalled and disabled, but for some reason that's in my path regardless. I love it. I love that piece of Windows.
all right, just close VS Code because I think you might be getting, or maybe open a terminal. Well, that's fine. That's all good.
We'll just do a little bit of everything. Nice.
There
Okay,
you
save.
go. So yeah, hammer down sounds cool.
PDC go.
No. You gotta give it the right path to what you want to build. So it's gonna be the name of uh this the direct. So go up one directory.
How do you remember any of this?
I'm going from the PDC hammer down, and then the name of the PDX you want to create.
Not like that then.
A space. Yeah, no, you got it good. That was it. And then space, and then like hammer down one word .pdx.
Like that.
Yeah. Maybe get rid of the slashes around the hammer down directory, and the dot. Yeah.
PDX by
Uh, oh, that's probably a C version of the program because it's fancy like
oops.
that. Oh no, it is Lua. No.
Maybe we need to go to
PDC
source.
requires two arguments: the input source directory and the output directory.
Where are you
But
seeing that?
because this is Windows and it has a space in there, it's probably foobarred.
Oh,
So maybe try one that doesn't have a space. Do like a flippy fish.
this looked like it worked.
Oh, did it look okay?
Yeah.
Then click on hammer down.
Click on it
It's
where?
going to be at the top level PDX. Like right. Whoa, yeah, whoa. Um, well. I think you have to open that folder on the Playdate. So maybe like file open.
You're shockingly good at this. All right. Where are we at here?
Examples.
Examples. Ah,
There you go.
nice. I saw there was a bunch of the games that I've downloaded are available on
Mm-hmm.
GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
So it could maybe a good reference. We could also fork them maybe if that's in their license, which would be pretty wild. So this
Yeah, it's actually
art's
pretty easy to load those into your actual device as well.
yeah. Well, this wasn't too painful. It's just a few terminal commands. Um, yeah. How do you know how to do pixel art like this?
I mean, we have, yeah, sure, let's do it. I mean, not like that. Probably a little worse,
Sure.
but just about like that.
Let's see what this PNG
Uh,
looks like in Paint.
you have AI. I mean, do you really need
Yeah, for sure. There's no way AI can
this
do.
anymore? I think that's like a thing of the past. You just ask for it.
Yeah,
I got this. I got a sprite. I mean, what else does one need?
eggplants. Yeah,
One bit eggplant art.
we can just port all of Find My Wiener Dog over
Oh, I did find my winner the other day.
in the game.
Yeah, I hope so.
Just clarifying. I Between this version and the one I have now, like
Mhm.
the changes are so drastic. I'm torn between like here it's real open and you can see far, but right
Yeah.
now the eye candy is like really good. So like I'm torn on what direction to go with it. But
Hmm.
it's a good time.
Meaning you don't know if you do an update or a new release.
Yeah, well, it might be a sequel. We might do Find My Wiener Dog with friends.
Ooh,
Calling it Wiener Dog to keep it PG here, PG-ish.
find my winner with friends. I like that.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's not quite enough to be a sequel, but if I had local co-op, then it'd be like Don't Starve Together, right? If you played that game.
I was curious. Is there an end? Like, can you reach the end of the map?
Theoretically, no. I suspect it'll be
You-
like it'll just break.
So if you keep going in one direction, would you loop around, or it
It's
just goes on forever?
it's infinite as far as the code's concerned.
Yeah, it's a little too big. The infinite part. I need a little. Uh, but you do find you. I do like the compacts to help you. I guess sound is very important when your winner makes noise.
And the poop, we're gonna add a story to it.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna like there's gonna be like clues in the new version, like kind of why he ran away and what it's about. And we're thinking like all the wiener dogs have grouped up and possibly are trying to escape the planet and head to Uranus,
Love it.
as one does, you know.
The winner space travels to Uranus.
Exactly. So if you find them, you can join them, and I think it'll like launch into like a 2D portion, like asteroids. You can kind of
Ooh,
try to launch your way into Uranus.
nice. But yeah, but check those graphics, man. I can totally do these graphics right here.
You think
I
so?
mean, a mountain like that, yes.
Yeah, this is just a series of pixels.
Yeah, yeah. There's not. I mean, it's. I mean, that's why I really like the play dates because you can't get too fancy with it.
I don't know, man. Some of
It's
the graphics sound like if you did you play Mars to Midnight or Under the Castle?
well, but those guys are kind of cheating. They're like creating real art and then pixelating it.
Oh, are they?
Oh yeah, I mean, so some of those. I mean, not, I don't want to get sued, but I don't know about those exact ones. But
Oh, I could see Mars doing that. Under the Castle look legit.
Under the Castle, I don't know if is that. Did you buy that or was that season one game?
No, I bought it. It's really good.
Under
It's
the
it's like a
Castle.
it's like a turn-based roguelite.
Yeah, I still struggling with turn-based games.
It's well, I guess it's turn-based, but it's not quite turn-based. Like you should try it. It's a good time.
Are you doing season one? Like, are you being patient or you downloaded all of them?
No, I'm not trying to get the seasons ahead of time. So I think I have new ones as of today.
Awesome.
But
Yeah,
I've
you got to do it slowly. That's the fun of it.
agreed. Yeah, I finally figured out how to get past. I was stuck on the bird one with the
The bird
camera and the
one.
bird. Yeah, it's you have to like walk
Oh yeah,
around
yeah,
focusing
yeah.
camera. So I got stuck, but I just figured out how to get past it. So I need to revisit that. And I didn't play
That's
the
I haven't
sword
gone
one too much.
there. Which one you haven't played too much?
There's like the first set is like the bird, and then there's like a surfing one.
Oh yeah, the surfing one.
Surf and turf.
Yes, Whitewater Wipeout. It's pretty good.
Look at this mountain.
Root beer is pretty good.
Oh yeah, that was pretty demanded. We get that one. That's the one where you just pour beer, right? That's the extent
Yeah,
of the
that's
game.
it. That's the game. I mean, but
That's
you
what
got
I
to do the
meant when
perfect.
some of the games were lacking depth. It was so
e-
hyped, and we
e-
got it. We're like, this is it.
That yeah, I mean that's it, right? That's the. I mean, look at the game with your hammer down.
Oof.
That's what they wanted to put out at first. It was just uh some NES Game and Watch style.
I feel like there's more to it than I found. All right, what should we do next?
Now we got a game running. I think that's we got a plan of a game, what game to put in there.
We could just slice it though. Like we don't even need to have the concept. We could just get like a this is our game folder. It launches. You know, like we get like a
All
good
right.
slice.
Um. Okay, let's do it.
We just drop a folder in here. We'll call it. How does one even add a folder? Come on, Windows.
Uh,
All right. Looks like we're gonna need a main Lua because that was what this one wanted. What does this consist of? Game over, startup, draw horizon. There's a lot happening here. Start game.
okay, yeah. So you need main Dalua. That's the minimum you need. So we can start there.
It seems like it.
And I guess we can just try to load an image. That can be the game for now. We can put your logo. Let's bit size your logo for
Yeah,
Gemcraft. How
absolutely.
about that? You have a sprite, right?
I have a PNG. I assume this is following some sort of structure.
Oh yeah. You need to load. Let's see. What libraries do you need there? Import a Lua file. LCD sound. I don't think you need to. I'm just looking at the manual on the side here.
Which one? The inside playdate?
Yeah, a basic PlayDate gaming Lua. Let's do that. Um, no. I am looking inside PlayDate. Yes.
Let me load up the real one. Inside playdate.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. You want section 5 or chapter 5, developing Lua. There you go. So we want, yeah, that seems like you got the background and you have the foreground and you have the update.
Copy
I
this whole
think this
thing.
is as basic as it can get.
Oh, come on, mouse. Work with me here.
Come on, man. You can do this. I believe in
I
you.
know, for real. Ridiculous.
To be fair, they should have made this like something that you could copy from.
Yeah. I blame my Mac.
Import. What's that? Does it not have the? All right, and then don't worry too much about it. I guess.
Yeah, I suspect this has
I know there's
something.
something that we need to do so it would know about those libraries in VS Code, if I remember correctly.
We need this too. So we don't have images, player image.
Yeah, so we need to create a 200 by 120 image of a player image. All right. I think we should convert you into
Use the new
okay.
GIMP 3.0.
I do have it installed.
Heck yeah. I mean, it's like the first update in a decade.
What did they add? Just a new splash screen?
I have no idea.
It looks so far. It looks the same.
I think that's
Whoa,
the goal.
whoa. No, wait, what? Okay, good. You need a new keyboard. That's not. Why?
I'm going
Why?
blind
Why?
here.
Why? Why are we in GIMP though?
What are you using?
A sprite.
Oh, should we use a
You
sprite?
mind me spelling it?
A sprite. 200, 120.
Oh, we should have done a grayscale.
Oh, is that an option?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or indexed, or I forget. Grayscale's too many. You don't. You just want black and white. No, index is gonna be. You can delete the colors on your. Right? Can you right click delete?
If this could be any harder, that would be really helpful.
Don't delete the white though.
Oh my gosh, can I even delete these?
Can you edit? I think you can like edit the palette.
Okay, that's good enough.
Oh, you did it. You did it. No, because you can paste your image here, and it will automatically change to the palette set.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if I remember correctly. Okay, so find an image and paste it here.
Well, we just need a player, so we could just do a circle.
Oh no, paste yourself there.
My face?
Yeah,
I don't have a picture of my face. Or
it's right there in your mouse. I mean, on your profile.
here,
Fine.
use Bowser's face.
Bowser looks very concerned.
As he should be.
Well,
Okay.
is it doing it?
Nope.
Did it do it?
It's just
Did it
all
do
white.
it? No, come on, you can do it. Actually, I forgot. You actually got to do it in you got to do it in GIMP. That's what I meant to tell you.
I don't believe you now.
Wait. You only had one color selected when you pasted. That's why you can't do that.
This
No.
doesn't even look like it's working for black. Like,
Oh, you got to know how to change. Of course, yeah.
why can't I draw
Yeah, I
black?
just draw a happy face. Don't overthink it. Do a happy face. And I think you can only draw black. Actually, I
Oh,
think
there you
it's.
go.
I told you. You don't believe
Yeah,
me.
I told you.
Get the body. Get the body.
The whole thing?
But I think you had to like. Yeah, it's fine. Let's just try whatever. See what happens. This might not even work.
That was cool though. I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, the more you know.
Indeed. I put that right in your PGP.
I'm just gonna put C James.
See, James. I get that a lot. PlayDate.
And the other day, you contact me on LinkedIn and got me really worried for a second there.
I thought I got laid
Don't do
off.
that without telling people. I'm like, oh my god, he's gone.
You can dream.
I'm like, am I gone? Are we all gone?
Look at the player sprite.
Yeah,
If not, I'm gonna change it. Yeah.
player image, sprite. I mean,
Is this the right type even? The TFX?
it was a PNG, right? That was loading.
Oh, in the other game, yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, let's leave it like that here. Background.
Where's the? Did you put it there? Is it okay? Maybe we don't put a background for now.
Okay, shortcut for commenting out. Oh, there it goes. Okay, that worked. All right,
All
you
right,
ready for
let's see if we
this?
can move Bowser. Gonna have Nintendo copyright strike your
The
streams.
first day. Oh yeah, we gotta do the thing.
I don't. Did you put it under the examples folder or did you put it under SDK folder?
Nope.
You did move it. Okay, good. No, you didn't move it.
No,
No, yes, you
it's
did move
outside of
it.
that. It's not an example. We're the full deal.
No, no slashes. Oh, source. Did you have to
We
do
don't have
source?
source. Yeah,
Oh, awesome.
we're just
We're
super
just
efficient.
extra. Yeah.
Test as one does. Perfect. I see it there.
That was not very committal of the output file name, though.
I love being non-committal.
Oh, you have some bot in the stream.
Whoa. Oh, we do.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's us.
Oh, all right. Never mind then. All right, move Bowser. Move Bowser.
So you can buy T-shirts. We've had one T-shirt purchase.
Oh, you have merch.
I do. I had 3 people request it, and only one buy it so far. Oh, I haven't mailed that out yet.
Let's see, Kofi.
Poor Bella. I gotta find that. Bella bought it.
Nice.
Yeah, this works though.
Wait, did you move it? I wasn't looking.
Oh, can we?
Yeah, look at that.
This is enough to release. I'm pretty sure.
This is I mean,
We just
for Steam it's pretty good.
Yeah. This is an MVP, guys. You get it. You get what you get.
This is pretty good. I mean, too bad it's you had to use Bowser now. Now you can't release this though.
Yeah, let's get this into GitHub
You,
though.
you got a Lego strike and Nintendo copyright strike. So yeah.
I'll have to add Wida Dev. Did you say your name's from Brazil? Is that right?
Yeah.
I, I, not just your name. All of you is from Brazil.
I guess you could say that.
Nice.
But is anybody really from anywhere?
I'm definitely not.
It's like we are really from somewhere else. If you go back enough, right?
Yeah, I'm a lot of everything. Seems like we need to get one of those tests done. I had like a fake one done for my local place. It said I was mostly European of some kind.
Yeah, I bought it one of those, and I never sent it out because just because they went bankrupt, and I just had a feeling they would. And your genetic data is just out there for the highest bidder.
Oh, I heard that. That one place that went bankrupt recently.
What's it called?
All right,
Yeah,
that repo is out there and it's public, so for your pleasure.
very nice.
Yeah. I
I
kind of want to
mean,
get this
hey,
onto
just
my.
in time for the extra. We have two.
To what?
Oh, sorry, two extra viewers.
Oh yes.
I mean, maybe one is a bot. I don't know.
I would just assume most of them are bots. I heard the trick is to not look at the viewer count at all.
Yeah, that's
I kind of want to load Bowser onto the Playdate itself here.
Oh, you're gonna load into your actual device. Let's
I
see.
I think so.
All
It's
right.
full slice here. We're not animals.
I mean,
I thought I'd get season 2.
Do you have to connect it to load it, or can you remote?
I have it plugged into my computer right now. So it's as simple as a button click. That would be nice.
Uh, yeah, I think if you connect it to you got a device and upload game to device
Oh,
or run game, upload game.
it's beeping at me.
Oh, it's messing me
Oh,
up.
we have the Simon Tower here. Remember Simon?
Simon.
Yeah, he's like the only
No.
person that does this with us semi regularly.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's been a while. I think I remember him.
It's my fault for being flaky half the time.
I know. You wait 5 minutes and you're gone.
Well, I meant with my days off versus like there. It works out. You see it? I'll put it up to the camera here. I don't know if you can see that yet. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, you got the pizza box. Nice.
I did get the pizza. Oh, Brittany got me the pizza box.
Excellent.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, now I gotta build a game out of moving Bowser on the screen.
I can't imagine that
You know,
they.
you mentioned from Brazil. Lua is actually a language that was developed in Brazil.
No way, really? That's
Yeah,
cool.
Lua means moon.
Oh, wait. I don't think Playdate would be brave enough to put Find My Wiener on their catalog store, so we can't do that. As
But
much.
you can put in niche still.
Yeah, that's not as exciting though.
No,
If it's
I
in the
mean,
catalog, I feel like you're guaranteed at least a healthy number of sales.
yeah, I don't know how they pay you for that. Um, but you have a whole year for the next season, probably, or two, or three. I think it took almost 3 years for season two to come out.
Really, I heard this month.
Oh, no. Yeah, I mean, it comes out this month, but
Oh, for me.
for season two to come out from after season one, it took what? It took a while.
Yeah, yeah.
They weren't even sure if they're gonna do it. I mean, they did a lot. They weren't even sure they were gonna have a store or anything.
So,
Um,
Simon, for some context, we were exploring putting a game on this thing, this nifty little handheld, which you should buy tonight. Um, Pretty sweet. The games are about $8 a pop in here, and there's not a ton, so the community's pretty tight. So I feel like I don't know. I feel like it'd be a good time. Thanks, Simon.
yeah, I think the developers are the ones buying the games, so
That could very well be.
or the whoops, sorry, the wishful developers are the ones buying the game.
And I bought like at least 8 the first day.
Oh man, you don't mess around.
I was like, I played every game and I beat him within an hour, and I was like, I need something I can like play.
Yeah, I really like. I feel like puzzle games. I mean, it's on the catalog, so you're gonna get it eventually. Which one is it? The Pick Pack Pup. I like that one. What did I buy? How do I know if I bought it or if it came in the season? Oh, it is season one. Okay. Yeah, that's the. So what games did you get that you like?
I mean, like, I know Mars was pretty good. Under the Castle was by far our favorite. Um, Core something I thought was fun. I wonder if I disconnected if that game will stay there. Spilled Mushroom's really good. It's like a card game. Core Fault, which is like kind of like Vampire Survivors.
Mm.
I have a few others, but those are by far my favorites. And Bloom is neat too, but it's you can't play it more than like 5 minutes a day because it's real time.
I mean, but that's kind of like the charm. Also, you gotta pick it up. You have to have the right lighting to play it.
For real.
You can't. Yeah, it's like. I mean, that's the charm of it.
Let's see, will this game stay here if I disconnect? It did. I can show this off to Brittany later. Should have used a picture of her face for novelty.
Also depends on how you run it, right? Because I think there's an option that you can tell it to run on device or just to install on device.
Right? What are you thinking, Rita?
Yeah, thinking, that's good times.
I mean, for tonight.
For the night, I think I'm thinking of calling it unless this is the time that you're thinking about starting a real, according to your schedule,
Yeah,
your
yeah,
real
right.
stream.
I'll have to fix that.
That's when people are going to start coming in.
No, I think we
Yeah,
got a
but
good we
this
got
is
a
cool.
good foundation. Should we have any homework for the next session or just leave it? Wing it next time?
Um, See, Simon was thought he was early too. I thought I was 42 minutes early, Simon.
I was looking at that schedule. Dang it, huh?
um, yeah, what's the homework?
I don't know. What should be the homework? It's collaborative homework here.
Oh, now you know how to do pixel art. Real easy. You're welcome.
Yeah, that is cool. I'm not. I mean, I'm no expert with dithering and that kind of stuff, but I know enough to get us by for the pixel art.
Yeah, you can always, that's how, what's his name? The pink round thing from Nintendo.
Kirby?
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, Kirby. Kirby was a placeholder circle.
Nice. No, that's the way to do it.
They're like, hey, you know what? Let's just go with it. So yeah, I mean, now the gameplay, that's where the challenge is how do you uh
I've been playing this game, which is a lot of fun. Which kind of looks like it has placeholder art. You know, like
oh
it's not.
nice. It's like nice CRT.
Yeah, I turned off the CRT portion of it, but it's still really good. Either way, like this is one of the most addicting roguelikes I've played in a long time. And I played like Binding of Isaac, all the main ones that you probably should play. Anyways,
Strong RPG vibes.
oh, do you want to see my changes on this game?
Yeah, that's it. So that's already on Steam, or no? That's only on local.
I have it every update. So I have a GitHub action. It deploys it to my beta branch every time I push,
Uh huh.
assuming I haven't run out of minutes. But right now, so in this one, you can see here it's pretty open, right? The view distance is somewhat far.
Mm-hmm.
None of that exists anymore. So I'll show you and see if I get some opinions from you. So I had a lot of eye candy, and apparently it was at the sacrifice of that. But it looks pretty good, I think. Allegedly. Make sure I have the latest here.
Says who?
Exactly.
Ooh. All right.
Um,
Oh man, I gotta step up on my mic game.
Why is that?
I just seen your mic on the stream.
Oh, yeah. It's
Is
pretty
that what
big.
inspired you to build Find My Winner?
The microphone, yeah, it's pretty big. Yes, Simon, if you can't see us, we're in the Discord. We're in this channel here. And I think it's hidden if you can't see it. So typically how you go is if you're in general, we'll just pull you in. Okay, so here I have this. See, oh, it's gonna rain on me. Hold on. I'll show you.
Interesting rain.
Oh, and I switch branches here for better or worse. I'm sure I pissed something off. Changing branches here. Welcome, Simon.
Hello.
Could you
Hey,
see the
Simon.
Twitch channel before I pointed it out?
You mean the channel? Yeah. No, I could not see that.
Interesting. That might explain why nobody's really taken up my offer to like join because they can't tell we're in here.
Yeah, I didn't think you guys were doing anything because there's no one in the Discord.
Yeah, you'll have to figure that out. Discord's such a mystery sometimes. Hold on,
No, the shaders.
really pissed it off here. You change branches and Godot just loses its mind. Alright.
You changed what now?
I changed branches, so like it doesn't
Oh,
turn
branches.
gracefully.
Huh.
Oh yeah,
I've never played with branches.
Perfect.
Ooh.
Perfect. The grass broke.
It told you could not do your shading.
Yeah, apparently. That's pretty easy fix, so allegedly.
Weird. I wonder why it doesn't like keep branches for you.
I'm sure it's something I did. I can't remember if I was working off main or they're both 7 days ago. Let me just switch back. Eventually, I'll show you what I wanted to show you here.
Oh,
Look at that beautiful grass. So something that's new here is we have a texture. But I noticed when this guy played, let's check this out. There's something I really liked when he was playing. You can't quite, like there's no texture, right? Looks okay. I don't know. I'm probably overthinking it.
oh yeah, I see.
Anyways.
Is that something new you added, or?
Yeah, I added the ground texture just because I was hoping to.
Yeah, looks nicer.
I wanted there to be like more patchiness in the grass, you know? Like you see how this grass is kind of like not everywhere now? So that's kind of the start of the biome logic. Alright, so the sun setting, which is a new feature.
Ooh.
Right?
Oh, that's nice.
Yep. So you get sparkles, shiny sparkles at night. Ooh, I get the start of the biome. This is new. So this is now a shader. This is like a little ray. Pretty sweet. Before it was like a real shitty picture I had. Now it like looks legit.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Is it the stream that is like making the shit a little bit like drop frames, or?
Probably.
Pretty smooth on my end.
Okay.
You saw lightning there maybe for a minute.
Is that some screen shake I detected there?
Yeah. So
Hell yeah.
lightning will get some screen shake. The clouds and the sun are all probably too fast. Alright, sun's coming up over there. I added some like ray effects. You see the sun bands? They wiggle.
Nice.
Yeah. Anyway, so this game isn't nearly as open as it used to be. So it's a lot more crowded. I wasn't sure how I really felt about that.
When are you adding the ray tracing?
Yeah, right. We do want to add pawns, but that's like gonna be a whole nother battle.
Yeah.
The only thing about the horizon that feels weird is because it's the color of the sky, which it shouldn't be, right? Like the trees should be it's almost like they shouldn't be the same as the sky, right? They're usually like white. Like the further you get away, like they're.
I'm obsessed about that.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I'm obsessed about that a lot, and it's like right now they're set to absorb a lot of the skylight.
Oh.
Like, right there, they're kind of dark.
Oh yeah, you can see that.
Yeah, but they're like blue at the end. You know what I mean? They shouldn't change the color to match the sky. They should either reflect or not brighter the color that they are, right?
And when it rises,
like you see, like they shouldn't be pink.
It's a light blue now. Yeah, light blue pink.
Yeah, I mean,
without having them absorb some of the color, it was hard to get something that didn't just look awkward. Because if it's either
but can't you just make it like dim out without absorbing the color? Because I don't, right? Your green tree never absorbs. I mean, the real world, the blue or the darkness or the pink of the sky, unless the tree was white.
That could be.
I think you're worrying a little too much about it, personally. Looks fine.
I mean, yeah. I mean, that's not.
This is real life right here.
What's the name of that? You see, it's like not. It's. I had noticed that. What was the guy who with the big hair that used to paint, like
Ross?
just make little. Yes, right. Like he would just like put a little coat of like it's just a little dimmer, or you see the different levels. It just get like whiter as you go.
That's kind of what I was going for. So it goes from like this color to like it slowly fades into the sky color. Kinda.
Yeah, I guess because they're too close to seem like they would fade, maybe. But I don't know.
Okay, so now let me
like that picture that you have there looks right to me. That's what I'm trying to get at.
This one?
That picture there, yeah, the trees look right. I like the sky color that you changed, but you see how the trees in the back are not like super blue? It doesn't match the color of the sky.
This one, I don't think I have any fog enabled, so it just kind of fades the sprites in and out. So I could certainly go back to that.
I mean, it's just an opinion.
No, that's definitely what I asked for. So if I switch it to current version, we can poke around here for a minute. Simon, if you missed it, we're gonna do Find My Wiener with friends at some point. We got Lure, co-op, VR's pretty much mostly done.
Awesome.
Heck yeah.
That sounds pretty fun.
We could also do Hide My Wiener.
I hide my wiener. Nice.
Where you have to find, one hides and the others have to go find it. Just throwing ideas out there.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Does the sky change in this version? No.
No, everything's static here.
Oh.
Yep. Very.
I see your challenge because here it is the same color, but I like how the trees here in the background are not. They are kind of. Maybe it's your sky just is what I expected to be in this one. Is the sky full blue, or do you like change as you get? Is that the color of the sky everywhere? And you have fog.
The horizon's like a little bit whiter.
Okay.
This is barely though. Yeah, it's just rain. There's no fog or nothing at the rain. There's no lightning. So many new features. Oh, here, check this out. Here's my old ray.
Oh, yeah.
Embarrassing.
I mean, how did you even put this out there, man? Look at that sun. The rays don't even squiggle and squaggle.
They are
Oh, they do. What do they?
they're animated, but
Okay.
not well. These bushes don't even exist anymore. Someone did notice though. Let me see if I can find one. Brittany was pretty happy. If I can find a butterfly, may not be able to. Pretty rare. Here's one. He noticed all the subtle imagery in the butterfly. If I can get close enough, you see it?
I can't really see it.
Oh, there's a few.
Besides all the dick.
Oh, yeah, I
Yeah,
saw it.
there's some suggestive pictures on the butterfly. So when he was going up to everything, he's like, "Is there one on this? Is there one in there?" Oh, it made Brittany happy.
That's funny.
Oh, yeah, the blue balls. I mean, whatever those are.
Yeah,
Yes, so that launches you away from your winner, right? When you got it.
yeah,
Is that right?
yep.
Because I was using that to kind of tell me where to
Oh,
go.
cool.
What was that, Simon?
I haven't seen that before. That's pretty fun.
Yeah. So this is what our speedrunner found out. This is you can do this, and you can quickly find him by doing this.
Oh, by turning around.
Yeah, I was like, oh, that's pretty creative.
Now, you don't really have to. I mean, does your winner move around?
No, he stays in one spot.
So if you get launched backwards, right, you just have to look at the compass at the top to go the other way, right?
Oh, like if you hit the one that turns you around, or any of
No, I
them.
mean if you hit the blue balls, then yeah, it sends you the other way. You
Oh,
just look at the compass and
he's right there. Yeah,
180 to it.
You added a visual effect for the wiener. Nice.
yeah. It a lot of nerfs. I need to make it a lot harder. I think.
Just put like a hard mode in there. You found him.
Oh, check this out. I have this new transition screen. I'm pretty excited about. It's just so when you launch into the Jamcraft, watch the transition. Oh, it barely worked. I must have broke it. Yeah, it barely works. Well, anyways, the eggplants are supposed to be the transition screen. So look at that again.
I kind of saw it.
Saw a little bit.
Yeah. I see the cloud blips out of existence if I turn too much. Anyways,
I do like the enhanced graphics. They're
Mm-hmm.
looking pretty good.
if you notice the rain, it'll rain here in a second. That moon though. It'll rain in a minute, and the fog comes up from the ground, which I like quite a bit too. And I do like the new music. If you can hear it.
Cannot hear
Not
anything.
on the stream. I mean, not on Discord.
Bird. There it is, right there. Look at that. It's small, but it's important.
Cool.
Indeed. I've got all the assets to set up the new biome. Right here. Eggplant biome.
You should totally add a difficulty level, though. I agree with Simon.
Oh, there's 4 difficulties.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, check it out.
Definitely hard, soft.
Yes, and then rock hard's the hardest.
Mm-hmm.
If you get rock hard, there's no power-ups except for poop. So there used to be no power-ups, but just poop. Apparently I broke that logic too. I've been really refactoring a lot. Apparently I broke a lot. Anyways, supposed to be no favors in here for you.
Oh, are you a little higher on the grass than the previous version now?
Funny you ask. So, have you heard of power scaling in games before, or
No.
TV shows? So I had the same thing with asset scaling. So all my assets had just grown wildly out of control. So everything was like 2,000% scaling, which is just absurd. So I rescaled everything back down to like 1 where it was supposed to be. So height, everything is a different size than it was previously.
Okay.
So,
Nice.
because this game is an infinite, the further you got out in the world, the higher the coordinates got. And then you run into issues with like floating points and shit like that, allegedly. I didn't see it myself, but I figured it would happen if someone really tried. So, yeah, this, you probably, different height, everything's a little different.
Yeah, because are you a winner looking for another winner?
I don't know. We thought about adding hands, like maybe the player when they walk up to oh this is what it is. I got one more thing to demo. I'm sorry, I'll keep stringing you guys on here.
And you're getting 120 FPS. Smooth.
Oh, should be 240. What's going on? Oh yeah, I'm on. If I was on full screen, it'd be 240. It's locked to my refresh rate. Only 120. I can't use my full screen because Twitch just hates it. Okay. What do you guys think of this? This is a pretty drastic change in the way the game operates currently. See it pop up there?
The
Press E to pick up.
press E to pick up?
Yeah. So you can't just
Oh, you
like,
don't automatically get stuff.
right, so you kind of have to like, the goal is to slow it down a bit, like where the mushroom's at, you know, like eggplant's the only one that does it currently. That's essentially what it would be, is like, you have to like pick them up now. That's a tough question, I know.
Yeah. Do I need to pick it up, or is it okay for me to just get it?
Try to make it outline, which is not working well.
It's a cool effect, but not what you want to do.
Right.
Nice.
Yeah.
A golden
Yeah,
shower.
I don't know how I feel about having to click
Like
an extra key to get something.
maybe if you had arms, so it's a little bit more immersive, you know, like Skyrim.
Yeah, maybe like you're running around with a poop bag.
Can you guys see the flicker on the grass when I walk around?
Nope.
No, it's already very choppy on the stream.
I'm using object pooling, and right before they get moved to where they're supposed to go, they render. I haven't been able to figure that out yet. Do you guys know what object pooling is?
Nope.
So instead of remaking the object from scratch, because I reuse all these grass trunks, it makes 300 of each one, and it hides and shows them as I reuse them. So when I go to reuse a new one, it pops up right in front of me and then quickly goes off where it's supposed to go. Despite what the code says, it shouldn't be visible, but it is.
So you're essentially just putting, I mean, you only have in memory what you're looking at, right? So like a poor man's ray tracing.
All ray traced.
I mean, imagine that hot dog ray trace. I mean,
yeah, well, we got new hot dog sprites coming, so
Cool.
indeed.
Yeah, I mean, in my opinion, I don't love the option. I mean, the only reason for you, I see for you to have to click something to pick up an object is if you would have a reason not to pick it up. You know, like if you could only keep so many and it would over, you know, you had to drop something else to pick that up.
Yeah, it just get tedious.
Yeah, because I mean, when I was playing, I think the fun was just like, how quickly can I find my winner?
Right.
It's I mean, I find it like, oh yeah, and why how does it help? I wasn't sure what collecting the items were helpful for.
Yeah, so you get like the first chance to read them, like this. But if you miss it, just click OK. You'll never see that message again. So, thinking about adding some tips here.
Whoa, is that fire on purpose?
Yeah, that happens when you hit the rocket.
Okay. Look, your game is on fire, man.
No, it's just your CPU when it runs. Nice. Oh, there's the banana.
So the items are more for the like the fun of discovering the first time. But what do I get for getting more eggplants?
That one makes your dog bigger. So if you find enough of them, he'll be pretty big. You should see him in like the shadow of the background. Eventually.
Gotcha.
Simon, did you hear some of the lore that's coming?
I did not know.
So we're gonna add like maybe there's some wanted posters around on the trees. You know, just some way to get clues to the story.
Cool.
And essentially, what we're thinking is potentially that all the wiener dogs are attempting to leave the planet. That's why there's rockets everywhere. And attempting to escape to Uranus, and you can join him after you find him.
Oh yeah, classic.
Yep. And then
Nice.
at that point, it would launch into like a 2D asteroids game where you just try to get to the planet.
That's funny.
Yep. So many spoilers here on the channel today. Yeah, no, I've been torn on the Horizon color. It's like it looks good, but I don't know. I'm with Weeda where like I don't know if it quite fits. But I'm also with Simon too. I don't want to over obsess about it.
Oh yeah, definitely. There's no reason to obsess about it.
I love obsessing.
Then do it.
All right, guys. Next
I
week.
don't want you to sleep until you fix this. All right.
Yeah. Next week we want to continue our little game here.
Yeah.
What do you think, Simon?
Should do that.
You in?
I'd be down to check that out. Sure.
Cool. You gonna buy one here while we wait?
No, not yet.
They're only $250, Simon.
I just started some work, so I'm still kind of broke.
No worries. You got a new job though?
Yeah, it's a contract to hire, but I am working at least.
Nice. Good for you. Happy to hear that.
Thanks. Yeah, back doing engineering.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Cool.
All right, guys. Let's call it a night. I'll see you next week.
All right.
All right.
See you next time.
See ya. Bye.